cute little flower arrangement holder that a friend gave me 3 years ago. I've gotten a lot of interest in the dimensions and how to make it, so that's what we're going to do today. The things you are going to need is you're going to need a 1x4 by 4 foot. You're going to need a drill with a 2-inch drill bit. You'll need some safety glasses like these. You will either need some finishing nails and a hammer, or you can use a nail gun like this. You're going to need a miter saw, or you can use a handheld saw. You will need a measuring tape, and you will need something to clamp them together whenever you go to put your nails in. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start out by cutting 2 16.5-inch boards. I've already cut one, so I'm sitting it on here nice and even. See how nice and even, making sure my ends are perfect. Then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw down here to get my second 16.5-inch cut. Cut 2 4-inch pieces. Just like the 6.5-inch, we are going to cut one and then use the second one to measure. And we have 2 16.5-inch pieces. Now, we are going to drill holes into one piece, and this will be the top. We're going to come in 2 1/4. So the outside of the circle will be 2 1/4 on each end. Okay? You'll find the center to do the very middle one. So half of 16.5 is 8 1/4. And then you find your center this way. So this wood piece is 3 1/2. So half of 3 1/2 would be 1 3/4. So I don't get confused, is when I make my mark, I make it in the shape of a circle and I erase the other mark on there just so I don't get confused. So now I need to drill these holes. And I've got to make sure this sits up higher so it doesn't mess up my table. So I'm going to sit these other boards under it and do the middle first, and we're going to see how that goes. Going dead, so it took me forever. And now I've got 2 more holes to cut, and then we'll come back and nail all this together. Now I decided to go ahead and nail all this together, and then I'm going to drill the last 2 holes. I figure it'll just be easier to, it'll kind of stand it up for me. So I'm going to use this piece to hold these together. Let's do this side first. So it'll be easier. These guys here, make sure they're nice and flush on the ends before I clamp it together. I'm this will hold it together for me so I don't have to worry about it. There we go. Okay, so it's gonna hold it in place for me so that when I nail it, I don't have to worry about it jumping on me. So let's shoot a nail in and see what happens. One side, so I'm going to switch it around and do the other side. Okay. And it's still flush for me. Alright, and then I'm going to, I feel like I'm secure now, so I'm going to take this off. Okay. And I'm going to turn it up now, and I'm going to do one here and then on the other side. So let's see how that's good. So now let's put in the other board on this end.